one item right here is a game changer. I'm so mad I was so late to the game because I could have saved so much money. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I go by the name of JDQ. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. We have been growing. Today's video is going to be all about how you can save some money by transitioning your summer outfits to fall and winter outfits. Some of your favorite summer items into fall and winter clothing. Yes, so you're going to be able to get multiple wears out of your summer clothing, and ultimately that saves you money to buy the things that you really want to buy. So if that sounds like something that you're into, make sure you go ahead and like this video right now, and make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any more money saving fashion hacks. Without further ado, let's just hop into the video. So y'all loved that first video. If you did not see that first video, I want y'all to go to that video, watch that, so you're prepared for this one. But I do want to start out with the obvious, and that is a blazer. A blazer is something that your wardrobe needs. You have no idea what's under this blazer, do you? You don't. What it is, it's a short sleeve shirt. You see how I did that? So we're going from summer to fall and winter real quick. I got this blazer from H&M. I love this. It is an hourglass blazer, so it brings you in at the waist. It's just like really nice. The padding in the shoulders, I feel, is so good to create like that chic look. I'm here for it. But I do love the blazer look. The blazer is going to be your friend all fall and winter long. You can use a blazer to elevate a lot of your looks. You'll go from super casual to casual chic, elevated casual, whatever it is that you want to call it. But you're gonna want to have a blazer to go over all those summer tops that you may want to continue to wear throughout the fall, like especially if it's like a basic top. Throw on a blazer and the look is complete. I have a few ways of styling it. Let me show you. This look, I went to training in this look. This is a basic blazer with jean and boots. It was super cold this day, but I was good with the blazer and the shirt. And that was also, that white shirt was also a short sleeve shirt. I threw the blazer on top and we were good to go. I felt warm the whole rest of the day. And sometimes if you want to just throw on a jacket on top or put a long sleeve basic shirt under the blazer, same kind of look. And you could like switch it up. You could get blazers in different colors. I like the classic black because I just feel like it goes with everything. But I do have another blazer. Let me show you. Here is another blazer option. For these hacks to work, you have to get a quality blazer because you don't want to have to go every year and repurchase a new blazer. I got this blazer a few years ago from JLux label, but it is so good. It is leather, perfect for the fall and winter months. So just make sure you take your time when picking a blazer because you want it to last so that you're saving money. That is the name of the game. Saving money, being able to get multiple uses out of your items so you can save money in the end. So invest in a good blazer so that you can wear your summer tops all year long. Got it? Okay. I'm gonna pop up on the screen different ways that you can style your blazers with summer shirts, but it makes it so easy, and it is a good outfit formula for when you don't have much time. Throw on a blazer with a shirt, some jeans, blazer, shirt, a skirt, blazer, shirt, pants, whatever. The blazer is going to do it every single time. I'm sorry I'm snapping so much. I'm just so excited about this video because we're saving money and we're wearing our pieces over and over, and nobody knows it. Nobody knows it. The next item that you guys need comes from that video, that original video I told you guys about. That is a good button down shirt, whether it's cropped or, you know, full, like a full length button down. Either one will work. It's just basically to keep your arms warm, right? So imagine you have a vest that you loved in the summertime or a dress that you loved in the summertime and you want to carry it over to the fall and winter months. I'm sorry, this is so wrinkled, but a good button down shirt will be so important for you this fall and winter season because you put this under your vest, you put this under your dress. It's a completely different outfit, one, and you're warm. So all those summer dresses you didn't get to wear, boom. Throw the shirt under. It's a whole look. Somewhere on the screen, I'm going to just show you the examples of how you add the long sleeve button down shirt to your wardrobe so that you can get uses out of your summer wear, and it works. another outfit formula to be able to save some money, because you're transitioning your summer pieces like this one to fall pieces. So in this one, that vest, I'm gonna show you how I wore it in the summertime, and then I just added the long sleeve button down shirt to the vest, and I was so warm in that. That's all you really need to do. Your arms are covered. You can throw on a jacket on top. It's all about layering. It was a look. It was a look. And I'm gonna show you other ways on how you use a long sleeve button down to transition your summer pieces into fall and winter wear. Next piece, red romper. I wore that sleeveless, right? So I popped in that black and white button down, and look at this. Look at how this is looking. I just feel like it created a different look, and now I'm warm. And I'm using that pant romper in the summer as well as in the winter. I can wear this for Christmas, like really funky, cute vibe. Get you a good button down shirt. I'm telling you, you're saving money. You guys got it. I know y'all got it. Y'all got it. But these are just examples of what to do. I'm giving you the basic formula. You don't have to go out and just recreate these looks, but use this as a template for your closet. Okay? And the last piece that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this one item right here is a game changer. I'm so mad I was so late to the game, because I could have saved so much money. So much money. Are you guys on TikTok? If you are, why are you not following me? I'll leave my handle right here. This has been all over TikTok. You probably know exactly what I'm going to talk about. It is these fleece line leggings. The gag is these fleece line leggings look like stockings. Look at this. Look at this. This is a game changer. This is a game changer, okay? These fleece line leggings are going to allow you to wear your skirts and your mini dresses all winter long. So I did pick these up from Amazon. All the items that I am talking about in today's video will be linked in the description box below in case you're interested. But like I said, I originally saw them on TikTok, but I ran to Amazon to see if I could find them, because I want to be able to return them in case it didn't work. But these work, and they work so good. I'm gonna give you a few examples of how you transition your summer fashion pieces into fall and winter pieces by using these leggings. First off, let me show y'all. Do you see this? Because all your summer mini skirts, shorts, dresses, you're gonna be able to wear in the winter and the fall. You're saving money. They look so soft. Let me show you up close. And then it looks like skin. So look, it gives you that look that you're wearing tights, but you're not. They're leggings. I love these. Let me show you guys how I'm styling it. So I basically took my little mini skirt, added the leggings under, and you see that the blazer, and you see the blazer is also in the look. And that skirt I got in the summertime, as well as that top. And look at that. We've created a whole new look. Next example is, watch what I do here now. So I took those leather shorts, paired it with a collared button down top, through the tights under the shorts, and added the boots. It was a look. It was such a look, and I was warm. It just worked so well. So I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, I want you to help me by liking this video and let me know some of your fashion money saving hacks. We want to use our money for other things, okay? So we're going to try to save money as much as we can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, peace.